Algoclear Biocide, celebrated for its biocidal properties, possesses unique advantages and disadvantages that warrant meticulous examination. The advantages of Algoclear Biocide. Biocidal Alchemy. The primary strength of Algoclear Biocide lies in its potent biocidal properties, actively hindering the regrowth of algae, moss and other biological contaminants. Enduring protection. The biocidal barrier forged by Algoclear Biocide ensures a sustained defence against contaminants, prolonging the intervals between cleaning sessions. Disadvantages of Algoclear Biocide. Limited stain removal. Algoclear Biocide, while effective in preventing future regrowth, may have limitations on removing persistent stains already present on rendered surfaces. Professional application necessary. Achieving optimal results with the Algoclear Biocide necessitates professional application, potentially contributing to the overall cost of render cleaning. Lightning Cleanze solution, a dual action dynamo. Lightning Cleanze solution, armed with the dual action formula, presents its own set of advantages and disadvantages that merit careful consideration. Advantages of Lightning Cleanze solution. Dual action formula. The distinguishing feature of Lightning Cleanze solution lies in its ability to not only cleanse but also establish a protective barrier, providing comprehensive solution for both current cleanliness and lasting protection. Ease of application. Lightning Cleanze solution may offer ease of application, potentially reducing the labour and cost associated with professional services. The disadvantages of Lightning Cleanze solution. Potential shorter protection period. While effective, the protective barrier created by Lightning Cleanze solution may not provide as enduring protection as Algoclear's Biocide biocidal shield. Chemical composition concerns. Some property owners may express concerns about the chemical composition of Lightning Cleanze solution, mainly if environmentally friendly options are a priority. Strategic decision making. Choosing between Algoclear Biocide and Lightning Cleanze solution necessitates a nuanced consideration of specific needs, priorities, and contextual factors. Tailoring solutions to requirements. Algoclear Biocide may be the preferable choice for those prioritising long-lasting biocidal protection. At the same time, Lightning Cleanze solution could appeal to those seeking a dual action approach with potential ease of application. Budget and environmental considerations. Property owners should meticulously weigh the costs associated with professional application and the environmental impact of each solution when making an informed decision. Maximising results in render cleaning with Algoclear Biocide and Lightning Cleanze solution used together. The power of synergy. Recognising the individual strengths of Algoclear Biocide and Lightning Cleanze solution, property owners can leverage a combined approach to render cleaning. Comprehensive cleaning. Algoclear Biocide, with its potent biocidal properties, excels at preventing the regrowth of biological contaminants, ensuring protection. Lightning Cleanze solution, with its dual action formula, offers immediate cleansing benefits, effectively removing existing dirt and stains. Long-lasting protection. By strategically combining Algoclear Biocide's enduring biocidal shield with Lightning Cleanze solution protective barrier, property owners can create a robust defence against both current and future contaminants. Achieving optimal results. The integration of Algoclear Biocide and Lightning Cleanze solution can be used to achieve the best of both worlds. Tailoring to specific needs. Property owners can customise the application of each solution based on the specific requirements of the rendered surfaces, effectively addressing the current issue and future prevention. Professional application. Entrusting professionals for the strategic application of Algoclear Biocide and Lightning Cleanze solution ensures precision and maximises the synergistic benefits of both solutions. Ensuring sustained brilliance. Incorporating a dual approach with Algoclear Biocide and Lightning Cleanze solution contributes to sustained brilliance. Extended cleanliness. The combined efficiency of both solutions extends the period between subsequent cleaning sessions, offering a cost-effective and a sustainable solution for property owners. Environmental considerations. By carefully considering the environmental impact of each solution, property owners can align their choices with eco-friendly practices, contributing to the long-term sustainability. In the dynamic landscape of render cleaning, Algoclear Biocide and Lightning Cleanse solution emerge as powerful allies, each offering unique strengths. However, the true potential lies in their harmonious integration. Property owners can achieve unparalleled results by combining the enduring protection of Algoclear Biocide with the immediate cleansing benefits of Lightning Cleanse solution, ensuring sustained brilliance and cleanliness for the rendered surfaces.